Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a whole orange cake. Yes, you heard me right. I'm making an orange cake using a whole orange. So let's get straight into it. So I have here one orange. This is a very sweet orange and it's seedless. I have one and a half cups of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 4 eggs. Now in my mixing bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up the orange. I'll just cut off the end piece. So here's my blender. I'm going to put the orange that I just cut up here into small pieces. I'm going to add the vegetable oil. I'm going to add the eggs and also the sugar. So I'm going to give this a blend for a few minutes and I'll be back with everything fully blended up together. So here's my orange mixture with the orange, the eggs, the sugar and everything, looking really nice. It's a candidate for orange ice cream. What do you think? Look out for that one. I'm working on that one. Okay, so I'm going to add this mixture to the flour. First I'm going to add the baking powder. Then I'm going to pour in the mixture with the orange and the eggs and other ingredients. Okay, so here's my cake mixture with everything fully mixed in. So I'm going to transfer this to my my baking dish. My oven is set at 350 degrees and this should take about 45 minutes to fully bake. So I'll be back when that has been done. Okay folks, here's a slice of this beautiful whole orange cake. You really must give it a try. It's so simple and you know it's just right for me. You would love it. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And when you click on the subscribe button, also click on the bell. That way when you do so, you get a notification when I upload a new video. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.